Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how can we fit an Excel sheet on a single page. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. This is our Excel sheet. So just go to this page layout tab. In this page layout, you need to go to the page setup and click on this drop-down arrow. Now in this pop-up, what you're going to do is just set it as fit to one page width and one page height. And set the paper to A4. And then click on OK, and that's it. Now, this whole sheet would be printed into one single page. No matter how tall it is, no matter how wide it is, it would be printed on just a single page, and the face of the page specified as A4. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.